Here's the starting point of the project, a cheap Ikea cube shelf, safe from the hard rubbish collection. And here's the completed job. We've painted the whole shelf in a matte black paint. I've added some baskets here, which were from Kmart. I think they were about $7 each. And we have put some foam checker plate, fake checker plate, inside the shelves, just so you can sit stuff on there without it getting scratched. Just goes to show what can be done with a little bit of paint and a little bit of time. No real money involved.